opening today. It is LOL Surprise Amazing 14 exclusive dolls. This box is huge. I don't know if you can see this, but there's 70 plus surprises in this unboxing experience. So let's get started in opening this box. We're all gonna help in unboxing this. Oh my goodness. Unzip to unbox more surprises. We have this box inside and it is so adorable. Look at these little clouds and you can open up. Look at how huge this box is. You can open it up and we're gonna unzip it to unbox more surprises. So we unzipped it. Oh my goodness, it's a whole little town. So we have downtown on this side and uptown on this side. Oh my gosh, look at this town. I love this town. We have all of our old LOL dolls and they want to know what's inside all of these boxes. She is new. We just unboxed her because we got a new little kit. But let's open her up and see what's inside. Open up. Oh my gosh, look at this camper. I can't wait to get this camper for Christmas. And this is downtown and uptown. Box is numbered and we're going to open number 1, 2, what is it? How many numbers? We have 70 boxes in here. 1, 2. Little baby. So cute. She was in box number 1. And I wonder what she does. Does she color change? She probably color changes, right? All babies color change. Oh, look, we have this little shopping cart that matches her. So there. Oh, that was number 2. Oh my gosh, these cute shoes. So these are big OMG doll shoes. So we, I think, have 2 OMG dolls in here. And we have another box. We're opening 3. This is so exciting.
Oh, a bottom.
Oh, a little pair of shorts. Those are checkered shorts. So cute little checkered shirt that goes with a checkered top. That in number 5 and 6. It's this cute little doggy with the blue hair. She's so adorable. Oh, and her brown splash. Look at this cute little out of order here.
Oh,
what do we have here?
Little shoes.
Little shoes. Let's look at these little shoes. The little other pet here. We have so many little pets. Number 7 here. Do you see the numbers on here? There's 50 and 12. And
here's
number 7.
7. Oh, 7.
So it's 7 and it's a little top. So cute with a little bow tie on it. I love those. Now 9. And 10 is right below. So we're going to open up 9 and 10. 11. 9, 10, and 11 all in one stack.
Oh, another pair of glasses.
Another pair of glasses. Either 9, 10, or 11. I can't remember, but there's some shoes. And there's so many in here that we are just opening. This is like an LOL opening spree. This is either 9, 10, 11, or 12. I'm not sure. It's one of the bunch.
12.
But look, it's a little clip. I'm trying to focus it. Look at this little clip. It says yes. And then we opened up. Oh, look at how cute this bottle is.
Silver and gold and blue.
Look at how cute this bottle is. It's gold and blue. And it's like a milk carton.
Look.
That one, we got a little girl. How cute is she with her little buns on the top? And we got a sticker too. We gotta put some clothes on this one. She's all naked.
Oh,
and we got a little sticker. Her sticker, so we gotta put the stickers on.
Okay.
That's 41. That's 41. 14 is right here.
No, we already opened 14.
Oh, we already opened 14. That was a little girl. We're looking.
It's
And
taped
then,
on.
15 and 16. Let's just open up the top, right? Can we do that?
Yeah. And then here.
Okay, look here.
And 2 boxes.
Multiple outfits. Not something. It's a little cup. It's so cute. This is probably for a bracelet. 18 there.
Oh, we have to slide this one out and put this one.
Oh, that was a cool little trick.
It feels like there's nothing in it.
Oh, I got a sliding one.
Oh, yeah, 17.
Oh, this is 17.
Oh, yeah.
Open up 17.
Yeah,
That's the key. And then we have a little pet right here. Look at our shopping cart. It's filled with pets. We're putting all of our pets right here.
No, you need your clothes.
8 was a bottle.
No, 19 was this
Oh,
one.
19 was that one and 20 was a bottle?
And 20's right here.
So this is the bottle and 19. 2 little white shoes for 20. And we're going to open all the rest and just show you what we got. Oh my gosh, there's too many to just open one by one.
That don't even fit the puppies.
Oh, they don't fit the puppy. Where did we get these ginormous glasses from?
I found earrings.
Look at these cute gold earrings that we found. They're really cool. Halfway through opening, I'm just going to show you what we have, and then we're going to continue opening. Everyone is opening. We found this little boy, this LOL boy. This is actually our first boy ever. We haven't had a chance to get any of the boys. He's super cute. He has like a lightning bolt there.
We have a bunny.
We have a bunny. We have a little bunny pet too. Wasn't it Hops that we have the bunny pet?
Yeah, oh yeah.
And then we have
baby.
this matching animal. She looks like a dog, right? Or a fox? I don't know. What do you think? And then she matches her. This is her little girl. So do we have the whole set? And then her sister too? No? And then this is the girl. And then this is her pet.
And then the baby's all the way back here.
And and then the little baby. Oh, so do we have the whole set of
Just,
the baby?
No, you're just missing the brother, the boy, and the big girl.
Oh, the boy and the big girl. Okay, so then we have all of these clothes that we got. This cute little puffer jacket, some matching shorts, a brush.
This is supposed to go with her. Where?
And
Where's that girl?
another
And we
outfit
got a
here,
key,
and some shoes
We
over
got a
here,
key. We need to get a red key to open this
and
big
these
locker.
earrings here. And then
Can I
yes,
show?
our goal is to open the big locker right
Yeah,
there.
this is 50 and mine is 51.
50. That's everything, and we're going to show you, except for our last OMG doll. So okay, we have our last two OMG dolls that we are going to unbox.
Mine is red.
And then we have a red one and a bluish, purplish one. And this is the key. How cute. The keys lock together.
No,
Oh my goodness.
Don't.
We're not
You have
supposed
to keep it together.
Oh, yeah.
To open.
Oh, you can. You have to keep it together to open it?
Yeah. So first the blue one. Just twist and then it'll unlock.
Twist and unlock. This is difficult. Okay, this is our attempt to lock it. Unlock it. Ta-da! Look at her. Look at how beautiful she is. OMG.
Wait, open this one too.
Okay, we're gonna open this one too. This one too. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. Look at her. She comes with a little bag here of an outfit probably. And look at her lipstick. So we're gonna take her out and then we're gonna show you everything that we unboxed. Here's our little sticker sheet and I'm gonna introduce you. So this is Proper and she is uptown. She really looks uptown with her bun and look at her shoes. And now we have Prim. So it's Prim and Proper. And she is also uptown in her little tuxedo outfit. And look at the little pom-poms on her shoes. We have Downtown Doll. And look at Downtown Doll's lipstick with her checkerboard lipstick. This little mini skirt. Adorable with her fishnet stockings. The one thing we are missing is her shoes. We did not get them in the box. We've been searching and we could not find them. We also have Preppy. Preppy is a boy and he does look preppy in his little white shoes and his pants. Look at that gold belt. Super cute. And we have, for our pets, we have Downtown Hop. Look at this little bunny with her little bunny tail here and her little ponytail. So cute. We also have Wooftown. Look at how cute he is with his spots. We have Uptown Meow. She is so adorable. She again has the two buns just like her sister Proper. And we have Yuppie Puppy over here. So cute. And then here's another one. We have City Boy with his little heart tattoo over there. Broken heart tattoo. And we have City Slicker. Look at him. And he's wearing this little puffer jacket with his checked shorts. So adorable. And then we look at our babies. We have Downtown Doll. I think we mentioned Downtown. Little Downtown Doll. And we have Little Prim. Little Prim has a pacifier and freckles. And she has this little winky eye Downtown Doll. And now we are going to look. Oh, and we have our accessories. We have these big sunglasses. And we are going to open up our dolls. Okay, let's open up. You need help. We need help opening it up her. And what is her name? Oh my gosh, we have... So here we have Downtown Doll. Her hair is so soft and pretty. Oh my goodness, it is probably the softest hair I've ever felt. And she has this check lipstick, and this is Downtown BB. So she actually matches with her little sister here. And this is her outfit. She has a check outfit. And look at these nails, girls. Look at these nails. You gotta check them out. They're black and white, and she's very mobile here. So she is articulating. Only on her arms. Her legs only, she can sit down. Just look at the back of her. So she is super cute here with her outfit. I'm gonna put her shoes on. So look at Downtown shoes. These are the cutest little high heels. They're red. Look at these red bottom high heels. And they're different colors. One of them is black and one of them is white. So that is pretty cool. So now let's look at her. Let's look at Uptown. Uptown girl, and we're gonna put her earrings on. Oops. Look at her earrings. They match her outfit. And she has pink hair. It is not as soft as it feels like there is a little bit of hairspray to keep her hair intact. We have her little outfit with this little tweed jacket and her little bow and her pleated dress here and her fishnet stockings. And we need to put her shoes on. Where did her shoes go? Okay, let's put on these blue shoes for her. She is really uptown. We got her shoes on with her cute little socks. So now we have Uptown and Downtown. Oh, we unboxed some pants for her. So you could put the pants on over her existing pants, or you could probably take off her existing pants. We'll just put it on over. So these are a cool little, it's like a cool little sweatpants, joggers. It took 20 minutes to put on those pants because they were so tight on the bottom. But I did notice, look at how detailed her feet is. She has 5 toes there. So much more detailed than Barbie's. And you can see her belt, it actually clips on. So this is so cool. And this is her necklace, I think. Is this a necklace for her? Or is this her purse?
That's her purse.
Is that her
fanny pack.
Is that her fanny pack?
You have to move back. You have to put on her jacket.
Oh, we have to put her jacket on. Look at this cool jacket that she has.
No zipper.
Okay, so now this Downtown girl is all dressed. She has her cool shades on. She's wearing her jacket. She has her little fanny pack purse thing. Her pants. Look at how cool she looks. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you like this tutorial. And be sure to stay tuned for a big giveaway. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Oh, we forgot to put on the earrings. Look at how cool these gold earrings are. Bye from all of our LOL gang. We're saying bye.